Hi, it's me Reno Nadianli from Art Design with Canva YouTube channel, and today I will share a new Canva trick to put video behind text. So open a project in Canva. I use Instagram post here and then type a text. For example, I will type here World Ocean Day and then select all and click the font, change to type here box, enter, and choose this black box. Okay, I will increase the size and then click here on advanced setting and reduce the line spacing so they become like this. And then I will click here before O and add a space to make the black color wider, and also here after the N, and then here before the 1 2 3 and after Y 1 2 3. I think I need more 4, and here before the 4. All right, and then I will increase the size like this and place in the center. And then I will go to element and go to shape. I will choose a square, change the color to the same color as the text, which is black. And then I will move it here, increase the width and duplicate, place it here, and then duplicate again. I will reduce the size and place it here and duplicate it to be placed on the right side. Now back and type here ocean. On the videos, I will choose this one. I will increase the size to fit the text. And I will send to back. Alright, so now we have it. And then click share, download as MP4 and click download. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.